Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you an amazing AI tool called AI Marvels. This app can turn your photos into videos, change outfits in pictures, create fun animations, and even predict what a future baby might look like. It has many cool features that let you edit and create videos with just a few clicks. Stay with me as I walk you through how to use AI Marvels step by step. The download link is available in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Once you open AI Marvels, you will see a sleek and innovative interface. On the main screen, you will find multiple powerful options including live photo, AI video, magic brush, baby predictor, enhance, AI dance, AI tattoo, video translator, AI dress up, AI music, AI retouch, face swap, beauty, colorize, face dance, and multiple other creative options. At the bottom of the app, you will find the main navigation bar with three key sections. The home section provides quick access to all the available features. The AI style section allows you to transform photos into different AI generated styles such as anime, cartoon, and photography. The AI video section provides a collection of hundreds of AI video templates including template videos, filter videos, AI hairstyle videos, AI hug videos, and AI kiss videos. So first of all, let's talk about live photo. To use the live photo feature, start by clicking on the live photo option from the main interface. Choose the picture you want to animate. If desired, enter a text prompt to customize the animation. Click the generate button and wait a few seconds for the AI to process the image. Once generated, you can download the animated video directly to your phone. Now let's talk about AI video. AI Marvels offers a huge library of video templates to transform your photos into stunning videos. Click on AI video, browse through the hundreds of templates available, select the video theme you prefer, upload the photos required for the template, and click on generate. Wait a few seconds while the AI creates your video. Once generated, you can preview the video and download it to your device. Next we have Magic Brush. This game-changing feature lets you replace outfits in any image effortlessly. To change the outfit in a photo, choose the image in which you want to change the outfit. Use the brush tool to mark the area of the clothing that you want to modify. Enter a prompt describing the new clothing, such as white business suit. Click the generate button and wait for the AI to replace the clothing. If necessary, use the eraser tool to remove any unwanted areas. Once satisfied with the result, download the modified image. Ever wondered what your future child might look like? AI Marvels Baby Predictor can show you. Upload a photo of both parents. Select the baby's resemblance to mom or dad. Choose the baby's gender and click generate. In just seconds, your future baby's image appears. You can even turn it into a baby video. If you want to create a realistic hug or romantic moment with AI, select an AI hug template, upload 2 photos, click generate, and in moments you will get a beautiful animated hug video. Now let's try the Paris kiss template. Choose the first person's photo, then select the second photo. Click the generate button and in just a few seconds, your AI generated kissing video will be ready. You can preview the final result and download it directly to your device. So AI Marvels is an all-in-one AI tool packed with unlimited features. Whether you want to create realistic AI videos, enhance photos, or experiment with futuristic AI effects, this software provides a seamless and user-friendly experience. So download AI Marvels now by clicking the link in the description below. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.